Guys, I'm gonna do a quick bike check on my new bike I picked up off of Craigslist today. It's a 2008 DK8 pack, and it's pretty nice. It needs a few new parts. Like I need to get a new seat. It is not pivotal. It's with the rail and guts and everything. I need to get a new spoke in the back. One of them snapped. And I need some new grips pretty bad. So I'll start. First, I have S&M XLT slam bars, whatever they're called, in chrome, with a Hoffman rhythm stem. I need Cane Creek headset. Fit forks, a Fit Bico tire with a custom laced Alienation Black Sheep rim with a Fit hub. And then next I have the limited edition GT seat. It's pretty nice. It's railed though. I'd like to get pivotal. And it's got the seat guts. You got the Primo aluminum cranks, hollow bite, Odyssey trail pedals. They're all right, I guess. A KMC chain. This tire in the back is not a brand. Just threw it on there because that's the only one I had. A G Sport Plegs. A Salt Pro V8 2 hub, or whatever it's called. FBM sprocket, 30 tooth. This is how loud my hub is. Just bear with me, it's going to be hard to do this because I have to hold the camera in one hand. That's my hub. It's got a Salt rim. And a, G Sport Plegs. Really nice bike. Gotta get new grips for it, like I said, and it should be good. I'm gonna take everything, get some parts sandblasted, polished, make it look nice. Well, I'll do a new check once I get it done. Thanks for watching.